Sorry. Yeah, good evening, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yeah, good evening. Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, okay. So, good evening, everyone. Uh, we are starting the Zoom section uh with DXY. That is our normal thing to do, and that is what we do every week. We start we start with DXY where we want to analyze the market for the week. And these are not signal, please. Kindly know these are not signal. These are just market forecast. Yeah, these are market forecast. Oh, there is another one for the people in the VIP, which I give particular entry, and exit. So, but for this, it is just a market random forecast. So we'll be taking much of our time, but it will show you the insight of what you should be expecting by the throughout the week and at the end of the week. So practically, we start from DSY, which is the motherboard for the major peers. Yo, is the motherboard for the major peers. So we are starting with DXY. So last week, if you are on our Zoom last week, I said something concerning this. I said something concerning this structure, that this structure is giving expanding flat. Then after this, up 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. So five, the which is the fifth wave is expected. And if you look at this is expanding flat, and from expanding flat, we have a structure something like, oh, let me put it something like this. We're expecting something like this. We're expecting stuff like this. And this is what is happening here. Expanding flat, expanding flat. So what do we still expect? A move to the downside. This is what I'm expecting, a move to the downside. My bias since last week is have not changed. And I said something last week. For those people that attended last week, I said unless price break above wave 4, which is the buy level, we are not going to buy. For now, it's still not buy. It's still not buy unless price break this 124. So I'm still on the sell side. And if you look at it, one of the prime minister in Europe resigned, which make price to spike up after the opening market, and it's called the spike up. And if you look at it now, price is still respecting the channel and is coming down after the hit of the upper trend line. Is coming down again. respecting the triangle. So for the week, I'm still expecting move to the downside. Move to the downside. Unless price break this level, we are not going to sell. I'm not going to buy. Unless price once price break this level, then I'm okay that yes, price is at the uptrend or is bullish. Sorry, price is bullish, not uptrend, but price is bullish completely unless they break this level. But if they are not breaking this level, yeah, there is still view that price is going to the downside. So this is what I'm still expecting on DXY for the week. And if you look at Euro USD, we move to Euro USD. This is daily on Euro USD. Oh, sorry, let me use one of the clean charts. Let me use the clean chart or handle. Okay, this is the clean chart. We have wave one, wave two, we have wave three, internal wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, wave five, or wave three. Then we have wave four, and our wave five is ending diagonal. This is what they call ending diagonal. This is ending diagonal in wave. People that trade wave really understand what ending diagonal means, and the structure is super clear. The structure is super clear. Wave one, internal wave two, and I said something last week. The ending diagonal is based on three wave, internal three wave, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3 to the upside. So right now, what am I looking out for the week? I'm still expecting full buy for the week. I'm still expecting full buy for the week. This is what I'm expecting for the week, full buy to the upside. I'm expecting full buy. If you look at the DXY here, down here and up here, which is like they said, inversely proportional. DXY is proportional to the correlated to the Euro USD. So this is what I'm expecting buy to the upside. And if you look at here, to the stuff I gave last yesterday. I gave this yesterday, and I said it in the group today that unless price breaks 1645, we are not selling. We are not selling unless price break this 1645. Aside this, we are still not selling. We are the buy. We are the buy zone. We are not selling. So I'm expecting buy to the upside. This is what I'm expecting for Euro USD. So we move to USD, USD or GBP USD, sorry, which is cable. So for cable, we are done with the impulse wave, which is the 5 wave count. And this is 5 wave count, wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, which is expanding triangle. Also, if you look at it here, is expanding triangle, which is wave four, and that is the attribute of wave four. Then to the upside. So what are we expecting? A correction, and the correction is looking like a triangle. If you look at here, wave one, wave A, wave B didn't break above wave five, and that is the attribute of a triangle. So wave A, wave B, wave C, we are going for the wave D now. We are going for the wave D, and if price respect this wave, this triangle, which is the current structure, if price respect this triangle, which is the current structure, what am I expecting for the week? Like I said yesterday, I'm expecting a move to the upside from wave C to wave D, which is always 3, 3, 3, 3. If you look at here, we have 3 internal wave, and this is the internal wave, wave A, wave B, wave C, 3. If you look at here also, wave A, wave B, wave C, 3. If you look at here, we have 3 also, wave A, wave B, and the wave C. And if you look at current wave, we have wave A, wave B, then we are going for wave C. We are going for the wave C, which is also 3. Let me change this one to black. So we are going for the wave B to wave C, which is also 3. Then we have another 3 to the downside. 1, 2, and 3 before finally going up. That is the rule of the triangle. So this is what is happening on GBP USD, and this is what I'm expecting on GBP USD. Unless they break this level, then that is when we can classify the structure to come down here as a flat, to come down to this level 1.31, then up again. The main direction is up, then up again. So this is the two scenario I'm expecting: the current triangle or flat correction. And if it's going to be flat correction, then they will have to come down to this line, which with A end, and this is the with A, which with A end, then they will have to come to this before going up again. So this is what we have for GBP USD. Then you have USD card. So for the USD card, we have been trading this for the past 2 months to 3 months. This is a correction because we are in a downtrend where we have, if you look at it here, we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 4, then wave 5 to the downside. So we have been in this correction since July, middle and or end of July. We have been in this correction. We have been in the middle. We have been in this correction, and this is WXY correction. We call it double combo correction. We have double combo correction. We have triple combo correction. If you look at here, can you see double combo wave, triple combo wave? But this one is double combo wave or double combo correction, whereby in the W you have A, B, C, then X serve as the connecting rod, and this is X. It can be flat, it can be channel, and it can be triangle. But in this current case, we have triangle here. We have A, B, C, D, E, which is triangle, and from here we have, right now with what is going on, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside, or we have A, B, C, D. Sorry, we have A, B, then C again to the upside. But one thing is clear, which is price is still going up. Nothing is going to change this. Price is still going up. Then after this up, that is the completion of wave 4. Then we have a total move to the downside. A total move to the downside. This is the real main move. This is just a short buy to the upside. Then this is the real main move to the downside, which is the wave 5. Which is the wave 5, almost 600 pips, which is the wave 5. So this is, we are going to take the buy from wave B to wave C, and we are going to take the sell again. For people that know how to trade wave and that be following this structure, really know what to do. And we are going to update them in the VIP also. Next we move to USD So USD yeah, last week we have this sell, and we closed about 180 pips in the VIP, and there was a huge gap during the weekend because of the geopolitical stuff that happened over the weekend. There was a huge gap. So what am I expecting? The structure still remain a move to the downside. Firstly, to close this gap, to close the gap, and secondly, to complete this structure. If you look at here, we have what? We have expanding triangle, and if you check our DXY, there is also expanding triangle, exactly the same structure. So after this expanding triangle, what do I expect? I expect a move to the downside. They've already have this signal on the VIP this morning. So that is the only move I'm expecting on USD JPY. A move to the downside, close up the gap and complete the structure at least to 143 or 142. That is what I'm expecting. USD CHF. USD after this move to the upside, like I said, for the past 2 weeks, we had this sell in the VIP also. And after the closed up, when they reduced the interest rate with 25 basic points, they reduced the interest rate with 25 basic points. Then that was a huge sell. And after the sell, there was a monetary policy. The monetary policy given by the Fed chairman, which was Powell, it was different from what they gave as the interest rate, and that was a huge move to the upside. So what am I expecting now? I'm expecting a correction after this wave one. I'm expecting a correction to serve as wave two before the next move to the upside. Oh, then we have AUD Oh, sorry. AUD On this AUD also, we have expanding flat. If you look at it here, there is a expanding triangle. Sorry, we have expanding triangle. If you look at it and checking from here, there is wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four was a triangle. This is converging triangle where we have A, B, C, D, E, converging triangle. Then after the wave four, we have wave one, internal wave two, internal wave three, internal wave four, and right now we are going for internal wave five. And from the internal wave five, we from the internal wave five, we have wave one, wave two, wave three to the downside, then wave four, we serve as the triangle, then wave five of five, which means we are going for full sell to this level, at least to this level, which is 50 is 0.500 is 0.500. So this is triangle. Then after the impulse to the downside, there was a correction. If you look at it going to H2, going H2. So this is the impulse one, two, then let me mark. We have one, this is two, then we are waiting for three, four, and the five. So the move is downside. On the long time, it is down move. Then we move to GBP NZD. GBP NZD. Last week on the Zoom call, we gave this a signal on the Zoom call. Last week, a sell from here. And right now, we are almost 130 pips in profit. 130 pips in profit, and there is still more move to the downside. And is also on our signal stuff. We gave this a signal last week. So we are still expecting a little correction, then a move to the downside. A little correction, then a move to the downside. Then we go to HAUD card. AUD card, I sent this last week, this on Sunday, which was yesterday, that wave 1 year, wave 2 year, wave 3 year. And with the look of things here, it seems like it's like a flat. With the look of things here, let me. So with the look of things here, we have wave A, wave B, and wave C. This is what they call running flat. We call this running flat. So let me change this to the lowest wave, and let me change this to the submicro wave. So this is what they call running flat in wave methodology. We call it running flat. So, and it always occur at wave 4. And this is our wave 4. Running flat always occur at wave 4, and this is wave 4. So what are we expecting? We are still expecting a move to the upside. We are still expecting a move to the upside. That is the only move we are expecting, and at least 0.9270. At least 0.9270. And the signal is still there, which we gave at the VIP if I'm right, let me check. Yes, this is it. A buy from 0.91 and 0.970 is like 9270. So it's still running, and I expect more move this week to the upside to complete the signal. So next we have German Tech, German 40, which is DAS. German 40, which is DAS. Looking at H4, yeah, looking at H4 here, we have something like this. Wave 1 here, wave 2, wave 3 to the upside, then we have a triangle for wave 4. And with the look of things, here we're expecting wave A, wave B, wave C, wave D, wave E. Then after this wave E, let me change to submicro, then just a little retracement for wave E, then we go again to the upside. This is what I'm expecting this week on DAS. Like I said, wave 4 is always a triangle or flat, and this is attribute of a triangle. So this is what I'm expecting, a little move. I'm not going to sell. This wave E, wave D to wave E. I'm not going to sell. I will only wait for the buy. Using this channel line as my confluence. I will wait for the buy. Then from this buy, I move to the upside. Then we have Ethereum. We have Ethereum, like I said last week, for those people that were on this last week, I said this is our wave 1 on Ethereum. Wave 1, wave 2, respecting the channel. Wave 3 broke out of the channel, and we have ABC correction for wave 3. ABC correction, can you see a channel for wave 4? Sorry, ABC correction for wave 4. And directly from the box, the touch is 0.382, which is exactly figure of wave 4 between 0.382 to 0.5. And we can check that out from wave 2 to wave 3 so that we can calculate for wave 4, because they say Elliott wave is based on calculation. Can you see 0.382 and 0.5, and price reject from 0.382, and within this box is our wave 4. Price reject from this box. So what do we expect this week? A little retracement, then up again. The main direction is still up for the wave 5. At least 5,200, at least 5,200. That is what I'm expecting on Ethereum. GBP JPY. Price break to the upside on GBP JPY. So using our Fibonacci, we can clearly see that price is still within 0.786 to 0.886. 0.786 to 0.886. This is where I'll be expecting my correction between this range, up, then down again. This is what I'm expecting on GBP JPY, because if you look at this structure, the whole structure here scream correction. This is a correction. An impulse move doesn't move like this. And if you look at it here, we have something like WXY. Why is it WXY, which is double combo? If you look at the first correction here, it is ABC, internal ABC. This serves as a channel to connect. Can you see? It serves as a channel, then up for wave Y. And this is wave Y, up for wave Y. So a sell is expected this week. A full fall is expected this week. So within this box, between this range, I'm expecting a sell. So I will use candlestick formation to enter the market. But I'm expecting a sell between 202.20 to 204.86. Between this range, I'm expecting price to fall. USD SMN, looking at this exotic. If you look at this exotic from our analysis, we have wave 1, wave 2, then we have a very long wave 3. Then after wave 3, we have this wave 4, A, B, C, D, E, which is wave 4. Then after wave 4, we have wave 1, internal wave 1, wave 2, then wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Our initial target is 17,888, and this is two signal we have on this. Our first signal was from this level, 18.58. Then our second signal, which was last week, is 18.45. After the retracement, another fall again. If I can confirm this on our signal. Exactly, this is it. I expect price to go up, touch this line, then fall. And if you look at it here, price went up, touched the line at 1850, though our entry was 1845, the second entry, then a fall was expected. And I'm expecting the fall to go to 1788 this week. So if it's not going to complete this week, it's going to complete next week. Quickly, let's check on gold. Price keep moving up. On gold, price keep moving up. I'm going to use 30 minutes on gold. And for gold, we have, this was the drop, last week drop. This was the last. This was last week drop. one after the drop, there was initial impulse again. And after the impulse, we have wave one, we have wave two, we have wave three. The wave three break out of the channel line. Then I'm expecting wave four to come down into this box according to the Elliott wave rule, then before buying for wave five. But it seems, with the look of things, it seems price reject at 3969, which was supposed to be my initial target from this wave four, but price didn't come down there. So I'll still wait and expect and see what price we do. If you check from here, if you check from here to here, then our wave four will also be shifted. There will be a shift on our wave four, and this will serve our wave three. And if this serve our wave three, there is tendency that price is going to break to 4,000 next week. So it moved to this box for our wave four, then up, then up. So this is what I'm still looking at on gold buy setup. And for someone that asks for GBP USD, a recap on GBP USD. Going back to H4, like I said, if you look at our analysis from February, we have wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, where wave four is expanding triangle, then wave five. After wave five, with the look of the structure, we have a triangle. This is a triangle. This is a triangle because if you look at the internal structure of the wave, we have ABC, 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 ABC. So we are expecting ABC to the upside. So this move up, up, up. And if you look at our DXY, we are expecting down move. Then in correlation to GBP USD, we are expecting up move for wave D. And for wave D to complete, we have internal wave A, internal wave B, then internal wave C. If you look at here, from the start of the triangle, we have ABC for A, ABC for B, then ABC for C, then ABC for D. So right now we are looking for buy. We are looking for buy on GBP USD, correlating with the structure we have here, which we are expecting sell on DXY. So that is all we have for GBP USD. And I think that is all. Oh, and EU. Okay, EU. Our stand still remain on EU. And if you look at it from February also, we have wave one, wave two, then internal wave three, then after wave three, we have wave four. After wave four, this is what we call ending diagonal. Ending diagonal only occur at wave five, where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 internal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 internal. And if you look at it, 1 is done, 2 is done, 3 is done, 4 is done. Then we are expecting 5 to the upside. We are expecting 5. So this setup will be invalid if price break this level. If price break this level, this particular line 1.61645 to the downside, then this setup is invalid. But for now, I'm still expecting up movement, up for the internal wave 5 to complete the whole structure. So that is all we have for USD. And thanks for joining. I really do appreciate. So we have to end the meeting now. Any message again? Okay. You are welcome. So we have to end the meeting now. And thanks for joining. I really do appreciate.